Okay, so today I decided to make a reversible and I'm going to do it red because, you know what's coming up. But anywho, this was one of my all-time favorites um, in my shop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create this version, but I want to put all the detailing around the side so you guys can see why it was one of my favorites. Well, one of their favorites. So again, I do have a series, and in that series, I have probably at least 6 or 7 episodes already posted on all of the techniques that I've used so far, um, all the information. We just cover so many different things over there. So this is going to be my new installment this week, and I will go into detail on how to make this the way that I made it. Of course, practice always makes perfect, but one thing I remember was how so many people had something to say about when I created a digital product about how I make my things. However, the goal is to not have to slave and do so much physical, but right now I don't mind doing both. So, yeah, check me out.